In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can link your Instagram to your Facebook page in 2020. Okay, so the first step is to launch Instagram, and then you want to go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on the bottom right. Then you want to tap on the three horizontal stripes at the top right, and if you're on an iPhone, it'll be at the bottom. Tap on the three horizontal stripes. Then you want to tap on settings, and then you want to find account. It's underneath payments. Tap on account. And then the eighth option from the top is linked accounts. Tap on that. And then you'll see the option for Facebook. What you want to do is tap on Facebook. And I had my Facebook page already open, so just automatically connected to my Facebook page that I have created. But if you hadn't opened up your Facebook page on the Facebook app already, they will just prompt you to log in and connect it, and then just choose the page that you want to link, and then it will be connected. And you can choose the option to start sharing to Facebook. I'm going to select not now, and there you can see my Facebook page is connected to my Instagram account now. So that is how you link your Instagram to your Facebook page, and then every time you make a post on Instagram, you have the option to post it on your Facebook page as well. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.